Want to create AI images and videos in seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Krea AI in 2026, including image generation, real-time creation, editing tools, and video features. So let's jump right in. First, visit the Krea AI website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're inside, you'll find tools for image generation, video creation, image enhancement, and editing. Take a moment to explore the available options before starting your first project. To create an image, enter a prompt describing what you want to generate. The more details you include about style, lighting, colors, and composition, the better your results will be. Yeah, prompt quality matters a lot. One of Krea AI's standout features is real-time image generation. As you modify your prompt, the preview updates instantly, allowing you to experiment and refine ideas much faster. After generating an image, you can use the enhancement tools to improve quality and increase resolution. This is especially useful if you plan to use the image professionally. Krea AI also includes video generation features. Upload an image or enter a prompt, then generate short AI-powered videos based on your instructions. Once you're happy with the results, download your image or video directly to your device. Depending on your plan, you may have access to additional export options and higher quality outputs. And that's how to use Krea AI in 2026. Whether you're creating images, enhancing artwork, or generating videos, Krea makes AI content creation fast and accessible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.